Hello everyone, my name is Pratiksha Milin Gaikwad and today we are going to discuss about inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties of or behaviors of parent object. It is an important part of object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create a new class that are built upon existing classes. Means when you inherit an existing class, you can reuse the methods or fields inside the parent classes. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in current class also. So inheritance represented as is a relationship which is known as a parent-child relationship. Now let's see how we use inheritance in Java. For method overriding, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability, term used in inheritance are classes. A class is a group of objects which has common properties. Templates or blueprints which objects are created. Subclasses or child classes. Subclasses is the class which inherits the parent class or other class. It is also derived as a class or extend class or child class. So superclasses is a parent class, which is superclass is a class where subclass inherits the features. It is also the base class of as a parent class. Reusability, as the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates the reuse of field or method in existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same field or methods already defined in predefined class. So the syntax of Java in inheritance is a class, subclass name, extends, superclass name, or in that block we use methods or field. The extend keyword, let's see what is extend keywords. Extend keyword is indicate that you are making a new class that derives from existing class. The meaning of extend is that increase the functionality. In a terminology of Java, class is inherited is called as a parent or subclass, or new class is called as a subclass or a child class. On the basis of class, there can be three types of inheritance: single, multi-level, and hierarchical. In Java, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interfaces only. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java through classes. When one class inherit multiple classes, it is known as multiple inheritance. And let's see the example of single inheritance. When a class inherits another class is known as single inheritance. In the example, as for example, dog class inherits the animal class, so there is single inheritance. And multi-level inheritance, for example, when there is a chain of inheritance is known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see, baby dog class inherits the dog class, which again inherits by animal class. So there are multi-level inheritance. Now let's see the hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherits the same class is known as hierarchical inheritance. For example, dog and cat inherits animal class. So there is a hierarchical inheritance in that class. Why multiple inheritance in Java is not supported by Java? To reduce complexity or simplify the language, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, but it can be achieved by using interface. So let's see example. A, B, C are three classes and C class inherits A and B classes. If A and B class have the same method and you call it from the child class object, there is a ambiguity to call method A or B. So since compile time error and better than runtime error, Java render compile time error if you inherit two classes. So whether you say whether you have the same method or different, there will be a compile time error in Java while using multiple inheritance. Thank you so much.